Hello friends, how are you all? Thanks for visiting my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you a few of the glimpses that I had recorded around the place called Belconnen where I used to stay in Canberra. And this park, which is called as Ginninderra Natural Trail Park, and the lake surrounding it is an example of the pristine beauty of the nature and the wonderful wildlife that it has. So let's go ahead. We were simply in love with the natural beauty around in the Belconnen area where we were staying. Australia has the most bizarre and the most beautiful wildlife in its own. One of the specialties of the Ginninderra Lake's water was that it seemed to be changing colors throughout the day. For example, in the mornings, the water used to look blue in color, and then by the evening, it would look almost as if grayish or greenish in color, which was really amazing. All local water bird sightings were definitely refreshing to the eyes. The birds, the ducks, and the swans, including the black swans and bear, are rare sightings, but for me, they were pretty usual. I think I was kind of lucky to have a glimpse of the birds there. So every evening used to be a very good experience to either have a walk or go for a ride on my bike. Initially, I really got scared when I saw a flock of kangaroos just laying down in the heat of the sun during the afternoons or late mornings, but later on it became pretty normal for me to just pass through wherever they were sleeping or just dozing off. But the initial experience was really very scary. Then came the cheeky cockatoos. I must say they are very curious birds that like to pay attention around, and if you really get to annoy them, they can get irritated. So you better be friendly with them and don't even think about agitating them. So since Australia is my new home, I'm loving every single bit of it. My stay has been so very nice and the people around are so welcoming. I'm looking forward to document all my experiences through these vlogs and looking forward to share with you all. So please keep sharing, liking and commenting on these. And thanks for watching.